Hello and welcome guys. Hello everyone. So in this live session today we'll see how you'll be able to create a custom theme in Moodle LMS. Okay. So I have also written a blog here. You can see here over the screen and all the steps I have given here in case you want to go at your end. And also at the end of this blog you will see, so this is just not written or just copy paste, so everything like in the step by step you will find here the screenshot, and even at the end of the blog you'll find the complete video how we start creating that particular theme, the example have been taken, and how you will be able to achieve that one. Okay, so you can join me live here. And in case you have any query you can post me here and I will check that one. Okay, so how to create a custom Moodle theme using the Boost. So in this video we'll see the step-by-step guide. So from suppose you have a requirement, and in this live session we'll take the example of the Boost. Okay, so Boost is a theme, if you don't have idea around, so that come up with by default with the Moodle LMS. Okay, so and if you are using the Moodle LMS, you know the Boost is the default setup with Moodle. Okay, and with each version Moodle upgrade its Boost theme. Sorry. So then how you can start? So the first thing you should have the requirement, like the which theme you are going to create, at least the name you should have. Okay, so the example here I have taken an example here in this blog. I have to create a new theme that the name is SL Boost. Okay, so I will come up here under my code directory. So under my main code, let's say that is Moodle, under www, then under theme, then I will create a directory that is SL Boost. Okay, so once you'll have, so the first step in creating a new theme of Moodle is create a new theme folder. Got it? So what is the theme path? You will find your Moodle code, then you'll have the theme, then this is the one SL Boost. I created a new folder. Okay, so directory. Now this folder will contain all of the file of your new theme. So since we are taking the example of the Boost one, so I will copy all the files and the directory that Boost had. Okay, so in short we can say I have made a copy of Boost complete directory with files and the folders and rename it as a SL Boost. Now you can see here, this is the path. Now the second step, now you are in the phase, you have to start updating the files. Okay, so the first thing we'll have to update the config.php. okay, so that this file itself contains the configuration. Clear? So then you'll have the Moodle here, then theme, then SL Boost, then this is the file config.php. And you will find here the theme name. So we'll have to provide the theme name, whatever the theme name. So ideally it is always recommended to keep whatever the directory name you have. You should put the directory name, in my case is SL Boost. you should put the same name here. Okay, so your theme name will be SL Boost. So in between the process, in case you have any doubt or query, you can paste me here over the chat and I will try responding on that. Okay, so please always feel free for that. Okay, so the first thing, you just create a copy of complete directory and you rename it to SL Boost. The second step you follow, you have to make changes here under the config.php and you just rename the name to SL Boost. Then parent, you will have to put here the theme parent configuration to Boost, because I am going to use the Boost one. So this will tell Moodle that your theme is based on the Boost. And okay, so I am reading this line, you can also see. So this Moodle, this will tell which line. So this particular line, the Moodle parent theme will tell that your theme is based on the Boost. So that is why I have taken here the parent as a Boost. Got it? Now the thing is, the second step we'll have to follow, how to update your version file. Okay, so since you know this is the main file of any plugin, so this is the theme, you'll have to update. So only update is required here. You'll have to update the name. So ideally you'll find here, because you have made a copy, you'll find theme underscore Boost. So you'll have to replace with this one, theme underscore SL Boost. And the SL Boost is just for example, you can put your name even if required. Sorry. Any doubt so far? Now you can also update the version number to any new number if required, but you can go for that, but this is not required one. Okay, so now you have to update the language file. So if you open up here, by default you will find the only one language, that is in English. So this is the path, SL Boost lang en. You can open that one, this path, then we'll find the file name here, the theme underscore boost.php. The first thing we'll have to rename the file name itself. We'll have to put here slboost.php. Okay, then the plugin name will have to rename. Please make sure before installing this you are renaming this one properly. Okay, so you can put here any readable name. Okay, so this is not the short name, this is a full name. You can put here anything you can put. So even you previously SL Boost and you want any different name here, you are always free for that. Now replace Boost with SL Boost in all file. Now this is the step here. You are going to take this find and replace on a large scale, like complete folder, at least I think more than 1000 replacement will have at least. So it is always recommended to open your complete project in any ID. So even you don't have ID, but ideally you should have, so you can open in a VSC, Visual Studio Code, the complete SL Boost directory, and you can find their Boost and you can replace with SL Boost. Got it? So you can see the same thing in the video attached at the bottom of this particular blog. And if you need, let me post here over the comment. So I'm pasting over the comment so that you can check it in case you want to check this one in parallel. So the blog link I'm pasting here over the chat in case you want to open that one. Okay, so this is the steps. You'll have to find and replace. So everything you can find and replace, and please make sure if you're replacing, you replace it completely. Now there may be a chances you will find something either like there may be a chances there was file name like the boost.php, there may be boost.js in the file name. So for that you can also have, you can go to your directory where you have code, and you should also replace the file name here. Search for the Boost and replace all Boost with SL Boost. So like this is the one, the Boost navbar I have renamed to SL Boost navbar. The theme SL Boost, sorry, theme underscore boost I have renamed to theme SL boost. So similarly I have replaced SL boost to SL boost. Clear? So these are very simple steps you should follow, and all these steps will not going to take you more than 30 minutes of time. And now you are all done and you can proceed with installation. How the installation will happen? You can log in to your Moodle as an admin and you will find this step. The upgrade will automatically come, upgrade page. So Moodle will detect your new theme and start installation process. So the follow the on screen steps and complete it. So like the first thing we'll have here. So this one will have, correct? So this way, this is the renaming, and this is the first thing. After, if you click next, it will appear here. So then again you will have to click here on the upgrade Moodle database. Then the next step, in case you don't have any issue within that, then you will have this success message. Okay, so once you'll have success, next step in front of you will appear the setting page. So even you can go for the blank for now because everything have its default value. So it's all fine if you don't adjust anything here. Got it? And in case you have to write any custom CSS, you can write here. I have given the steps here within the blog, and even at the end of the video have been given. You can go for doing that one. Okay, so give this at least a try and you will have here the new theme based Moodle based and the boost based theme will have here within 30 minutes you will have your own theme. So first go for the basic one, then you can come to whatever the changes you needed in your theme. Okay, so suppose you have to make a changes, you want the background color in a red, or maybe this doesn't look good, but this I have taken only for the example purpose. So under SL boost you will have a directory here, the SCSS, and there you can create a file custom dot this, and here you can put all of your code within this file like the CSS I have put it here. And after doing everything I will have to do the purge cache, and then this screen you can see here. Okay, so some of the code will also have to adjust here under the step 8, but here I have not mentioned that one. So you'll find here within the video how you'll be able to do that. So give it a try and you know how you'll be able to create a theme from scratch within 30 minutes. Okay, and even for the second time it will take you less than 15 minutes. So 30 minute time just for the first time if you're doing, but if you try it 2 3 4 times will be mastering doing these steps, because you don't have to go and refer any video or the blog. So directly come and you will enjoy creating this one. Got it? So you can comment me here over the blog how you like this one and where we are going to use this step or not. And in case I have missed anything, you can also raise me here and you can comment me out. And on over my YouTube channel, I have also pasted here. I have also given the link directly in case you don't want to refer the blog one. So this is the video you'll find here. So on the top it will appear. So you can go for this one. Okay, so this is how you will be able to develop this complete plugin at your end. So now the chat is open in case you want to ask questions. So feel free to ask any question if you need. Now the chat is open for you. In case you want to type something or say something, you'll have the option here. So in the same way, you'll be able to create n number of theme, whichever the theme you'll require, you'll be able to create. And based on that, you'll have your own custom requirement. You can also go for writing your own custom changes there, and you'll find you are able to do very easily. So if you follow these steps, you'll find that you are able to. So suppose 2-3 years back, even I had around 8+ experience overall in Moodle around 2-3 years, but even I was not that much of confident when I come across creating a theme. Someone asked even in interview how to create a theme. So at that point of time, I was not that much of expert. But now I can say at your end, if you go through this blog or even at the video given here at the end, you will be able to understand very easily, and you will see how quickly you are able to create a new theme within Moodle LMS. Okay, so this is not that much of big task. So first thing, go for creating a fresh one. Let's make a copy of your boost, whatever is given there. Make a copy, do the modification given here. Everything step by step I am given. And then once you make a copy of that, then you, on top of that copied one, you can start creating your own logic. Okay, so here I have taken the example of simple CSS styling changes. So even you can go for creating your PHP logic or JavaScript. You can change anything, whatever you need to fulfill your business requirement, you can handle through this plugin. Okay, so the more advanced thing around this will be coming in the coming video. Well, this is all for this video. In case you see any challenges, you can also feel free to comment me here over my video, or even here over the blog you can chat. So this is all from this video. Thank you for joining me here in my live session. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.